The 5 elements aren't what we know in chemistry from the periodic table. These are 5 transformational energies referred to as 五行 in the Chinese language. These elements are fire, earth, metal, water, and wood. 5 elements theory arose in Taoist thoughts and philosophy through observing nature and its cycles. They observed the seasons, the weather, the animals, and all natural phenomena to develop a theory of everything. The Taoists saw the element expressed in nature through the seasons. The properties of an element were associated with the respective season. He saw that the season affected their bodies, temperaments, emotions, health, and well-being. Thus, each element was seen to have core qualities and characters. The elements are used in diagnosis and to determine treatments based on their properties. Each organ associated with meridian system in TCM has a corresponding element. The correct balance and harmony of these elements and the organ leads to optimal health. So this is where we see the 5 elements theory relating to our Qigong and health.